Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on OKX. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take is to go over to your OKX app. So let me tap on my OKX app to open it. So guys, now you can see my OKX app is opening. So guys, once you've opened your OKX app, the next step you have to take is to tap on exchange. You can see it there at the top. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see I have crypto access, deposit crypto. So guys, tap on it. You can see it there. So let me tap on deposit crypto. So guys, this is where you're going to select your crypto. So what you have to do now is to scroll through the list of cryptos that we have here. You can see the cryptocurrencies that we have here. The one you have to look for is USDT. So you have to look for USDT. But in case you're having a hard time looking for USDT, what you have to do now is to tap on the search icon there at the top. You can see it there. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to type in USDT. So let me type it in. Then you tap on search. So guys, now you can see the USDT right there. You can see the USDT crypto. You can see it USDT Theta. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. This is the very most important step in this process. You have to select the deposit network. If you fail to select the right deposit network, you stand the risk of actually losing your token or your airdrop. So guys, make sure you select the right deposit network, and the right one there is the second option. You can see it there, USDT ERC20. You can see it there. So guys, what you have to do now is to select it. So guys, just make sure you select the right network and make sure you look closely because they're almost looking similar. You can see it. You can see the second option is USDT ERC20, while the third option is USDT TRC20. So you can see the similarity. So make sure you look closely to select USDT ERC20. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you're going to be able to copy your USDT ERC wallet address. But guys, before I show you guys how to copy it, I would like you guys to take note of these informations right here. You must make sure these informations are right. You can see the deposit network is USDT ERC20. That's the right one. Let's go back to the next one. You can see what is written there, deposits to. So guys, make sure you actually select funding. You can see that funding is actually selected. Let me tap on the drop down icon now to show you guys the options that are there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see we have two options here. The first one is funding, the second one is trading. So guys, make sure you select funding. So guys, let me tap on funding. So guys, now once you've checked all this information and you're sure they are correct, the next step now is actually to copy your USDT ERC deposit wallet address. So guys, you can see the wallet address right there. So guys, for you to copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon there on the right hand side. You can see it there. So guys, let me tap on it now to copy it. So guys, now you can see what's written at the top, deposit address copied. So guys, now I've been able now to copy my USDT ERC20 wallet address. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address. By doing this, you'll be able to do that. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release new videos like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.